Isoko, in the interpretation of the ethnic nationalities. And, according to Delta State Gazette, ethnic nationalities mean the Ijos, Ishikiris, Urobos, Isokos, and Ndokwas from Delta State. By your own interpretation or definition of the ethnic nationalities, you decided to include Ika, which is your ethnic nationality, whereas there are more ethnic nationalities in Delta North and not Ika alone. Other ethnic nationalities in Delta North are Oshimili North and South, and Yocha North and South. It may be too late, but finally, I wish to again advise you not to reduce Wari to a deserted village, as Chief Ibori did to Sapele, as he removed most of the offices from Sapele to Ogara, his hometown. This is exactly what you are carrying out now. I can see you smiling to Alhaji Atiku Abubakar when you said that Owa Alero was your humble small village and that it is now a big town. The question is, with whose money? Signed, Chief Dr. E.K. Clark, OFR, COO.
We can no longer keep quiet. When it happened in 2007, and our money was being spent in sponsoring a PDP candidate under the direction of Obasanjo. Even David Devia and one Lulu, number 4, became campaign members of the campaign team, presidential team. In fact, David Devia was in charge of finance. And to that extent, they became part of the government later. David Devia became the principal secretary to the government of Nigeria. Ibori was able to move around in Aso Rock. But for the things that happened, today we wouldn't be talking about what we are saying now. So what am I saying? We will give the governor time to put down in writing all the amount of money received under 13%. And also to amend the law again to remove any extra oil producing community that is not oil producing. So I thought I should, this is the time to open up. If I don't, they will say, the old man was there, he didn't say anything because he had to put Okowa in office. No. So that is the position. So I want to say a big thank you to you. Ask questions if you have.